Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican-style churros. First, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until a smooth dough forms. This initial step is crucial for the perfect churro texture. Now that your dough is ready, transfer it into a piping bag equipped with a large star-shaped nozzle. This shape is essential for creating those classic churro ridges. Next, heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil, cutting them with kitchen shears. Fry the churros for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Be sure not to overcrowd the pot, frying them in batches if necessary. Once cooked, carefully remove the churros from the oil using tongs and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still warm, generously roll each churro in a mixture of sugar and ground cinnamon. Your delicious Mexican-style churros are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of rich chocolate dipping sauce or a dusting of powdered sugar. These crispy, sweet treats are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a festive gathering or a cozy evening at home. They truly capture the authentic flavors of Mexico. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.